One and all. My name is Lakshya Maharaj from class 9th A. I am a student of Kendra Vidyalaya Silvassa. The topic of project is atmospheric CO2 to ink, turning pollution into art. It aims to discover how innovative technology transforms one of our greatest environmental challenge into a medium for creative expression and awareness. CO2 has many harmful and dangerous effects, like it can affect the humans, oceans and atmosphere, etc. The increasing amount of CO2 cannot be reduced, but from this idea we try to do it. The Carling device, the atmospheric CO2 currently sits at approximately 420 parts per million, a seemingly microscopic fraction of our atmosphere. Yet this tiny percentage wields enormous power over our planet's climate system, acting as an invisible blanket that traps heat and accelerates global warming. The Carling device is attached to the factory exhaust and it placed on road. So therefore the carbon particles captured by this device, and it helps to filter 95% of dangerous particles from CO2 that is spread in atmosphere. Impact by the numbers. 130 ml air ink pen contains carbon particles equivalent to 45 minutes of diesel vehicle pollution. A single Carling device can capture enough particles to produce hundreds of pen annually, preventing those toxins from entering the respiratory system of urban population. Advanced filtration. Filters remove 95% of dangerous particles without affecting engine performance or efficiency. Mainly all countries have reduced the CO2 effect, but India is so far to do that. But this idea may help it. Air ink transcends its role as mere ink. It embodies a philosophy of transformation and hope by intercepting particulate matter before it enters human lungs or settles into ecosystems. The advantages of Carling device: direct pollution reduction, waste to value transformation, raises awareness creatively, uh, proven technology, scalable solution. But it also have some disadvantages like scale challenges, not a complete solution, installation barriers, market limitation, economy viability questions, and etc. But we can, but Haring demonstrate that innovative think can transform liabilities into assets, but it works best as part of a comprehensive strategy. Thank you.